Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about hormones. What are hormones? Hormones are endocrine gland secretions. Okay? Hormones are endocrine gland secretions. Endocrine glands are also known as ductless glands. Endocrine glands are also known as ductless glands. Ductless gland secretions are called hormones. These are required in minimum, very less quantity. But these hormones play significant role in our body's physiology. Why these are? What are the functions of hormones? Hormones are blood-brain barriers. They are chemical messengers. Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss about various things of hormones. First, we will take classification of hormones. Classification of hormones. In classification of hormones, depending on this, what are the four major factors are there? First one is chemical composition, second is solubility, fourth is third is location of receptors, nature or signal used to mediate the hormone action within the cells. Depending on this, depending on this, hormones are hormones are classified. Okay. Next, what are those factors? Huh? What is the factors? We are going to see into that. Okay. First of all, we will see chemical composition. Depending on the chemical composition, hormones will be in the hormones are classified into amine hormones, peptide hormones, protein hormones, glycoprotein hormones, steroid hormones. Okay, coming to this, depending on the chemical present in the hormone, these hormones are classified. Coming to this, first of all, fight or flight hormone, epinephrine or adrenaline and noradrenaline. These two come under amines, amino acid, amine hormones. Okay. Next, what are peptide hormones? Peptide hormones are antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin, thyro, thyrotropin releasing hormone. Thyrotropin releasing hormone. Is it clear? Peptide hormones, what are the three? Antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin, thyrotropin release hormone. Next, protein hormone. What are the protein hormones? Parathyroid hormone, growth hormone, prolactin. Protein. Under protein hormones, we can see three. What are the three? Parathyroid hormone, growth hormone, prolactin. Next, glycoprotein hormone. What are the glycoprotein hormones? Follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay. Next, steroid hormone. What are steroid hormones? Steroid hormones are derived from cholesterol. Those are estrogen, testosterone, aldosterone, cortisol. Okay. Next, depending on the solubility, some hormones are hydrophilic and some hormones are lipophilic. Okay. Next, we'll go to get into according to the classification. We'll go according to the classification. Two groups of hormones are there. Okay. Coming to hormone chemistry, these are three chemical classes are inside. Three chemical types of hormones are present. What are the three types? Okay, first one is steroidal hormones. Steroidal hormones are derived from cholesterol, secreted by gonads and adrenal glands. What are the examples? Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, cortisol, corticosterone, aldosterone, DHEA, and calcitriol. Steroidal hormones are derived from cholesterol. These are secreted by gonads and adrenal glands. What are the examples? Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, cortisol, corticosterone, calcitriol. Okay. Peptides and glycoproteins. Peptides and glycoproteins. Only protein part is present or peptide is present. Those will be called as peptide hormones. Okay? Peptide hormones, peptides are nothing but chains of amino acids. These are secreted by hypothalamus. Again, here also you can see oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone, and releasing and inhibiting hormone. Pituitary gland secretes pituitary gland in pituitary gland above hypothalamus is there. Hypothalamus will be inhibiting and releasing the it will neurosecretions of hypothalamus will be controlling the secretions of pituitary glands. Those will come under this category. Okay. Next, mainly anterior pituitary. Anterior, what are the anterior pituitary hormones? Anterior pituitary hormones, we can see what are the, we can see first, growth hormones. Okay, growth hormone. Next, follicle stimulating hormone. These hormones, we can see prolactin, these hormones. Next, coming to the monoamine or biogenic amine hormone. These are, name itself clearly denotes this contains single amino acid. These are derived from amino acid secreted by adrenaline, pineal gland, thyroid glands. Okay, examples will be epinephrine, norepinephrine, melatonin. Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland. Thyroxine will be secreted. Thyroxine is thyroxine secreted from thyroid gland. Okay. All hormones are made from either proteins, peptides, amines, or cholesterol. And lastly, some of the hormones are glycoproteins. Glycoprotein means in addition to protein, that hormone consists of carbohydrate. Those will be called as glycoproteins. Okay, is it clear? Hormones are mainly depending on the chemical classes, three types: steroids, peptides, and glycoproteins. Next, monoamines. Next, coming to glycoprotein hormones. Here, glycoprotein hormones nature, these consist of, they will carbohydrates, groups like mannose, galactose, fructose, etc. What are the examples for glycoprotein hormone? Luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay. Next, steroid hormone. Steroid hormones are derived from cholesterol and these are all made up of lipids. Examples: testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, etc. Next, what are amine hormones? Amine hormones. These hormones are made up of amines. Amine hormone is derivative of amino acid tyrosine. Amino acid tyrosine derived hormones are T3, T4, epinephrine, norepinephrine. What are the amino hormones which are derived from tyrosine hormone? Tyrosine amino acid are three. What are the three? T3, T4, norepinephrine and epinephrine. Next, peptide hormones example. These hormones are made up of few amino acid residues. These are present in linear chain fashion. Examples will be oxytocin, vasopressin, both consist of 9 amino acid residues. Okay, protein hormones. In these hormones consist of more amino acids or polypeptides. Polypeptides are nothing but proteins. These represent primary, secondary, tertiary configurations. Examples of protein hormones are insulin, glucagon, somatotropic hormone, etc. Is it clear? Next, what are the types of hormones? Again, I am repeating. Amino acid and peptide derived hormones. Amino acid derivatives from tyrosine or tryptophan are thyroid hormones T3 and T4. Next, epinephrine and norepinephrine, dopamine, melatonin, peptide hormones, chains of amino acids. Peptide hormones consist of chains of amino acids, okay, synthesized as prohormones. Next, lipid derivative hormones. Lipid derivative hormones are, these are mainly steroids. Steroids are derived from cholesterol. These, for example, these examples are testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, and calcitriol. Calcitriol is secreted by kidneys. As we are all know now, estrogen, progesterone, these are secreted by ovaries. Next, testosterone is secreted by testes. Next, mineralocorticoids, corticosteroids. These are secreted by adrenal gland cortex. Okay. Next, eicosanoids. Leukotrienes from WBC, prostaglandins from most tissues. Okay. Next, what are glycoprotein hormones? Glycoprotein hormones are which are conjugated compounds made up of carbohydrate and protein. Okay, these come under this. We can observe luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. In that, alpha and beta subunits. Each subunit encoded by different genes. Alpha subunit is identical for all hormones. Okay. Now, coming to this, what are the functions? Alpha subunit is identical to All hormones. Beta subunit are unique and provide biological specificity. Next, functions served by glycoproteins. Look, in these structural molecule, lubricant and protective agent, transport molecule, immunological molecule, hormone, enzyme, cell attachment, recognition, sites. Okay. Next, what are steroid hormones? Steroid hormones are three types. Glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids are mainly major representative in most mammals. These are secreted by adrenal cortex. These are life-saving drugs. If any emergency arises, if medical professionals will administer glucocorticoids. Then next, mineralocorticoids. Mineralocorticoids which take care of minerals and salt and water balance in our body. Example is aldosterone. Okay. Next, sex hormones. Androgens. Androgens mean nothing but testosterone. Testosterone helps in secondary sexual characters in males. Like due to this hormone only, in males after puberty, attaining of puberty, appearance of beard, change in voice, and hair set, pubic hair, armpit hair will be there. Next, coming to estrogen. Estrogen includes two types, estradiol and estro. This hormone particularly helps in secondary sexual characters of females like developing of breast and pubic hair, armpit hair, voice change. These are all we can observe in females. Progesterone. These progesterones help in developing of developing of zygote. Coming to what are types of steroids. Types of steroids are anabolic steroids and corticosteroids. Anabolic and androgenic steroids. Anabolic referring to muscle building. Androgenic referring to increased male sexual characteristics. Okay. Type. Steroidal hormones are earlier only we have discussed. Steroidal hormones are derived from cholesterol and it consists of lipids. In this, again two types are there. What are the two types? Anabolic steroids and corticosteroids. Coming to anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids are in these anabolic steroids referring to muscle building. For building of muscles, anabolic steroids are very helpful. And androgenic steroids referring to increased male sexual characters. This is also called as performance enhancing drugs used by bodybuilders and athletes. Anabolic Steroids are used by bodybuilders and athletes to build muscles. Increase it increases endurance and increase strength, which makes it illegal and unsafe. In doping, if at all athletes use this steroids, they will be barred from that game. That's why here it is clearly denotes using, because anabolic steroids use these to build muscle, increase endurance and increasing strength, which makes illegal and unsafe. So, next, corticosteroids. What are corticosteroids? Corticosteroids are secreted by adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex secretes three types of three types of hormones. In that, corticosteroids. In these corticosteroids closely resemble cortisol, a hormone that adrenal gland produce naturally, used as anti-inflammatory drug to treat illness such as arthritis. This is earlier only. Corticosteroids are life-saving drugs. So, in arthritis, asthma, autoimmune diseases such as autoimmune diseases such as lupus, multiple sclerosis, for these autoimmune diseases, corticosteroids will be used. And in skin conditions like eczema, rashes, and some kinds of cancers, corticosteroids are used. See, these corticosteroids are life-saving drugs. But these corticosteroids, any type of steroids are double-edged sword. These steroids weaken the immune system. So, prolonged use is not recommended. Okay, in today's class, we have discussed about the harm. Depending on chemical composition, what are all the types of hormones? Coming to this, we have discussed about peptide hormones, amine hormones, glycoprotein hormones, and steroidal hormones. In these, what are all we have discussed are, what are the, first of all, what are, again we will, in these we have seen steroids hormones are, already we have told what are the steroid hormones, corticosteroids, and these are secreted by only corticosteroids derived from, steroid hormones are mainly derived from cholesterol. These are secreted by only two. What are the two? Adrenal cortex and next one is gonads. Okay. Then peptide hormone. Peptide hormones are and glycoproteins we have seen. Next, monoamines. These are all we have seen. Okay. Then from these, thyroxine, T3, T4. What is the T3? T3, T4, these are components of thyroxine hormone. Triiodothyronine. T4 is tetraiodothyronine. Thank you. Thank you, student.